What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Clout back at it again with another video. Today, this video is going to be about why drop shipping is currently shitting on reselling. So, for the start of this video, I'm going to get into why drop shipping, exactly the best reason why drop shipping is better than reselling. The best reason is for drop shipping, you can start with $0, guys. $0.00. You need nothing. You get free trials, you get access, and you get 3 months of having your own Shopify site for only $1 a month, which is great. Now, I know I said completely free. This is as close as you're going to get to free and making money. If you all don't know how dropshipping works, pretty much products that are listed on Amazon's website that are going for like $200. So if I wanted some AirPods for $1.20, I can find them somewhere else and post them in my Shopify store for cheaper than Amazon's prices, but an upscale of what I'm finding them from the vendor for. So if I had a vendor who could ship products out to other people without me having to have any inventory or ship it out myself, I would create a site, simply a Shopify store. I would pretty much add the product on my site. Pretty much you see here, I have wireless earbuds. I just set up my Shopify account. This is another account. I've been doing this. I've been tapped in for years. This is nothing new. This is about 10 years old as far as a strategy to make money online. But as you can see, I have here this product. If I was to click on it and edit anything, I would scroll down and you would see my comparison price. I have it listed at $50, exactly the same earbuds as AirPods, and I would purchase them at a price of about 20 bucks. If I go over here, I can show you all where you could purchase them for 20 bucks exactly. Right here, as you can see, I have Zach's reselling spreadsheet. There's a DHgate link. I'm gonna click this link. Click. As this loads up, you'll see I can get AirPods, different variants of AirPods exactly as well. AirPods 2, Pro 2 USB-C charging port, and even the AirPod 4s that just came out this year, towards the end of the year, towards quarter 3, quarter 4, for 20 bucks a pair. So with that being said, if I go back to my Shopify site, you can see I have it listed at 50. That's about 30 bucks profit per sale. So every time someone comes to my Shopify site and purchases these wireless earbuds that I have listed as AirPods pretty much, I would make $30 profit per sale. Now this is great because you use YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, things like this to run ads for Shopify, right? So if I had a product like this and I wanted to sell it and I needed ads, I would run these ads. These videos would get millions and millions, hundreds of thousands of views, and then people would just go. I would leave the link in the video description, and people would run straight to this site, see AirPods for 50 bucks, and go crazy. Now imagine I had 10,000, only 10,000 people view the video, and only 100 people came to purchase. I would still make 5K easily, right off the bat. No bullshit around it. I just make 5K. I didn't have to order any AirPods to my house. I didn't have to have inventory of AirPods. Simply the website that I found that sells them for 20 bucks on DHgate, I would link this product to my site. And to go from there, I would run ads about my site, and then people would go to my site and purchase this. DHgate would handle all the shipping work. They would ship it straight out to my customers, and I'd just make $30 profit every time. As far as reselling, as I just explained, why you don't need reselling as far as for drop shipping. Reselling is more complicated because you have to have product in hand. You have to have money to get the products in hand, obviously. So if I wanted these AirPods and I wanted to resell, I would have to spend 20 bucks, wait for the product to come in. Thank God that DHgate has updated their shipping, and now we have a United States warehouse, so it makes things a little bit simpler, but Back in the day, before the United States warehouse came, it would have took about 2 to 3 weeks for one pair of AirPods to come. If I ordered one for $20 at $18.39, I would order that, wait, post it on my social sites and my sales apps, OfferUp, eBay's, Facebook marketplaces, try to promote the product that I just bought and try to sell it as I have it on hand. From there, if somebody was to purchase it, I would have to meet up face to face in person to get the pair of AirPods going, or I would have to go to the post office and ship them out personally directly to the customer's address. With drop shipping, you don't need to do any of that. I don't even need the $20 to purchase the item. I simply leave the link and upscale the cost on my website here. This is exactly why drop shipping is shitting on reselling. If you are not hip to both of these, there is no way that you shouldn't be hip to this by the year of 2025. 2025, making money online is so simple, and these are the two easiest ways to do it. Obviously, as I just stated, what this whole entire video is about, drop shipping is better than reselling. So out of those two options, I would choose drop shipping simply because you don't have to have any product. You don't need to interact with any customers. All you do is promote the product that you want sold, add that product to your site, and upscale the price that you found it at. Upscale what you want to charge for it, and then post the link to where you found it at on your site as the product. So if I was to go, that's pretty much everything in this video, but I want to show you all one more thing. If I was to go to Amazon.com, go on Amazon, type in AirPods, I could see here that they have AirPod Pro 2s listed at $190 with shipping. That'll be about $200, right? Boom, I go here, AirPods 2, AirPods Pro 2, bang, $34, right? For some AirPods Pro 2 top quality. Bang. From there, I would go back to my Shopify site, and AirPods Pro 2, I would change the price for this variant, right? Correct? And let's say it's $34 and I wanted to double that minimum. Amazon, as we know, Amazon has it listed at $190, $200. So I could really go here for AirPod Pro 2s. Oh my God, I'm sorry, my data is just filled on my computer. But I would price this at about $120 and eat $90 profit per. Or I could go $140 and make $100 profit every time I sell AirPod Pro 2s from using this link right here. Simply, if you all don't know how to create a Shopify website, there are plenty of YouTube videos on that. A lot of them are a little bit complicated, and a lot of them try to sell you bullshit through Discords. There are simple ways to create a e-commerce website. So if you are you should be interested in this if you want to make money online today and in 2025 at all times. Like, there's pretty much residual income. You want to set up a site, add products that are cheap to your own personal store. As you see, it says right here, my store. Add products that are cheap, and then simply just scale them less than what Amazon has it listed as, and run ads on the product. People are going to see your site. They're going to see that it's legit. Depending on how good you customize your site and how professional it looks, people are going to see how good it looks, and then simply they're going to order, and you have orders coming in. Now, as I said earlier, if I ran ads and I had 10,000 people watch my video, and let's say 100 of those people came to purchase from my site, 100 times 140 would be 14K easily, immediately. Now this just keeps going up for how many views you have. I have 10K views across 3 different sites. That's 30K views. Maybe I had 100K views across 3 different sites. As you guys see, drop shipping is so popular right now, and it's been popular over the past 10 years because the amount of money to make from this, the profit margins are insane. If you all don't know about drop shipping, anything about it, or anything about reselling, tap in right now. You need to be on YouTube scrolling, looking for videos with great content every second of your day, trying to figure out how to get products like this at DHgate prices on your website and upscale them. If you all need help with promotion, there are videos based around promotion as well. You can promote on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, Simple, Snapchat. All of these are great apps to promote your products that are cheaper than Amazon's products, and it's the same product. All you do, leave the link to your store once again, and people purchase directly from your site. If you found this video helpful on why drop shipping is shitting on reselling, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know everyone says the same script at the end of their video. Guys, I am here to help you make money in 2025. Let's go.